Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about DeliverThat Stole My Money and Deactivated Me. So with the new pay model that just came out, they are now stealing money from drivers and deactivating those who decided to fight back against it. And it looks like their pay model is costing them so much that this is what it's come down to. So in this video, we are talking about how DeliverThat stole my money, why they decided to deactivate me, and everything in between. So with that said, let's start with the story. Monday. On Monday, I had completed 2 orders for DeliverThat. Each of them were paying out $30 plus. I thought that the first one was going to run a little late, so I called Justin at DeliverThat, and he assured me that it wouldn't be any problem, it wouldn't affect my account, blah, blah, blah. It wasn't. I had delivered it on time. And the second order was done very easily as well. Easy peasy, nothing really notable about either of them. Very simple work. I didn't even notice any of the changes until later on in the week. Today, I was preparing some screenshots for some of the orders I did to do a comparison of the pay model pre-tip pool and post-tip pool, and I'm working on a video for that. And it turns out they did some funny things with the numbers, and the orders that were paying out $30 plus are paying $20 and $25. This isn't like you could blame it on a glitch. They undid all the work that they had and just reapplied them with lower rates. I can't believe I didn't notice. You would think that there'd be notifications that popped up. They didn't. Honestly, this is even worse than the delivered incident that I had. That was an issue about an order I was about to do. This is based on an order I already did. They did that to a friend of mine too, where he was supposed to be getting $125 for an order, and somehow it dropped to $4.90 and $84, and the person that the order was split with, because it was over $4,000, was supposed to get $115. UDM actually interviewed the person who got the 115 side. That wasn't even an EasyCater order. That was a partnership order, but they wanted to bin that as an EasyCater order. I decided to call support about it, because what else do you do when something like this pops up? And I spoke to so many people. Heather, Amanda, Jasmine, Justin, Philip, Erica, Kat. Erica claimed to be part of the driver experience team. I talked to Kat. She confirmed that she lied. And that isn't even everyone that works there. They decided to play the game of picking up and hanging up on me over and over again, refusing to put me through the driver experience and refusing to help entirely. What they did next was absolutely crazy to me. They decided to block me phone call wise, so I can't even call them anymore. Deactivate me for calling them. I had an order that was set for the next day. They took it away from me and literally sent me the email confirming that they were deactivating me for phone calls. Phone calls! They literally advertised their phone support team as the greatest tool for DeliverThat, and now they're deactivating people for using it. I decided to email everybody I knew had the kind of influence at the very top. John Zino, Jerry and Terrell, all of them. Later on, they did give me back my money, but they still haven't reactivated my account. So that just goes to show the piss poor integrity and character of the company further displaying itself and forcing deactivations wrongfully just to justify them stealing. Because I'll tell you what, if I didn't say anything, nothing would have changed. This disrespectful behavior has gone way too out of hand. But if this displays anything to any of the drivers that are continuing to work on this platform, it is vital because of the problems, glitches, horrendous behavior on the corporate side of things. It is vital to have multiple opportunities available to you by diversifying your gig portfolio and developing an exit strategy. Are you on multiple apps in each niche to make sure you're capitalizing on the opportunities that are coming your way, such as apps and companies that are looking for drivers in the Driven Wyld Discord community? The Driven Wyld Discord community is exclusive for gig workers looking to expand their knowledge and expertise in the self-employment and entrepreneurial journey, and they feature some of the most exclusive benefits based on your professional needs as a gig worker. Exclusive professional opportunities and gig postings, live streams with high-level professionals in our industry, educational systems to help build your own dispatch company, and scalable opportunities opportunities. Whether you're a gig worker looking for more opportunities to earn or looking for an exit strategy because the gig economy is an income bridge, what would be a long-term goal and not the goal, the Driven Wyld Discord community has something for you. And if this isn't a display of this being so necessary now, what is? They're just wrongfully deactivating you for calling in and asking about a problem. Check the link in the description and get started on making the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.